I, Dhanashri Anil Munot, Department of Mathematics, Gandhi College, Kada. I am going to present a review on Ramanujan's contribution to mathematics. Srinivas Ramanujan is India's one of the greatest mathematical geniuses. He has made a sustainable contribution to analytical theory of numbers, elliptic functions, continued fractions, and infinite series. Srinivas Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 and he died on 26 April 1920. During his short lifespan, he has made a great contribution to the world of mathematics. So, he was called as one of the greatest mathematical geniuses from India. On 22nd December 1887, he was born at Erode in his grandmother's house. He was very brilliant from the childhood. In 1900, he began to work on mathematics at his own. Ramanujan have shown how to solve cubic equation in 1902, and he developed his own method to solve quintic equations also. But he failed because quintic equations can't be solved with radicals. In 1900, Ramanujan started working on mathematics at his own. He taught himself mathematics through a copy of Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Mathematics by G.S. Carr. This book is reported as a key element in awakening the genius of Ramanujan, but writing style of this book had unfortunate effect on writing way of Ramanujan because this book was written very earlier and the style of writing was very old. During his early work, Ramanujan had began to undertake big researches. He investigated the series 1 over n. He developed Bernoulli's number and calculated Euler's constant up to 15 decimal. In 1908, he studied continued fractions and divergent series. At this stage, he became seriously ill and underwent an operation. In 1909, he married to a 10-year-old girl, Janki Ammal. In 1911, Ramanujan published a brilliant research article on Bernoulli's numbers in the Journal of Indian Mathematical Society. He published a paper on squaring the circle in the Journal of Indian Mathematical Society in 1930, in which he gives geometrical construction for finding the length of side of square whose area is equal to that of circle. He also reported another geometrical construction of pi in his next paper on modular equation and approximation to pi. Founder of Indian Mathematical Society Ramchandra Rao, Narayan Iyer and E.W. Middlemist were impressed by Ramanujan's work and represented it to British mathematician M.J.M. Hill. He replied in encouraging way, but he refused to take him as a student because the writing way of Ramanujan was not effective, and so he refused to take him as a student. This unfortunate effect it had. In January 1913, Ramanujan wrote a letter to G. H. Hardy containing many fascinating results like Riemann series, elliptic integrals, hypergeometric series, and functional equation of zeta function. When Hardy went through it, he realized the intelligence of this man and immediately called him to Cambridge. But Ramanujan was belonging to a Hindu Orthodox Brahmin family, and so his family refused to sell him away from the nation. Crossing seas were supposed to be made in his religion. But later on, Professor Littlewood somehow managed to the convince him his need in the world of mathematics, and he arrived in London on 14 April 1914. Ramanujan spent nearly 5 years in England. On 16 March 1916, Ramanujan graduated from Cambridge with a Bachelor of Science by Research on highly composite numbers and consisted of 7 papers published in England. In 1918, Hardy and Ramanujan studied the partition of function extensively and gave a non-convergent asymptotic series which gives an exact computation of number of partitions of an integer. In the same year, Ramanujan became Fellow of Royal Society for his investigation in elliptic function and the theory of numbers. In the meantime, he was becoming ill again and again. Maybe the climate of England is not favorable to him. On 13 October 1980, he became the first Indian to be elected as Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Despite of all these honors, due to his poor health, Ramanujan was sailed to India on 27 February 1990 and he died soon thereafter. Ramanujan discovered Mach theta function in the last years of his life, from March 1919 to April 1920, when he was terminally ill. Because of World War II, most of the work done by Ramanujan remained unpublished because that time the agreement was taken that whatever work done in England England will be published in England only and not outside, and whatever work done in India will not be published outside India. These notebooks contain near about 4,000 theorems. These have formed the basis for numerous research papers in which researchers gave proof of theorems and conjectures obtained by Ramanujan. Those statements Ramanujan taken as granted and just write it down were later on given proof by researchers. They have to do a lot of research to prove those statements which were very fortunate or which were very natural for Ramanujan. In notebook, Ramanujan have mentioned about how to formulate magic squares, how to sum up harmonic series, asymptotic expansion, theory of prime numbers, Q series, partial fraction expansion, etc. Professor Littlewood used to say every number is a personal friend of Ramanujan. One incident I could quote with this context when Professor Hardy came to meet Ramanujan when he was in the hospital. That time, unknowingly, Professor said that today's my car was very unlucky. Ramanujan said, "Why you are saying like that? What is the number of your car?" Hardy said it is 1729. Ramanujan immediately replied, "Sir, this is very beautiful number. See beauty of this number. This is the only number which is expressed as sum of cube of two different numbers. That means 1729 is expressed as sum of 1 cube plus 12 cube. Also it is expressed as sum of 9 cube plus 10 cube. This number later on known as Ramanujan-Hardy number." Summary. Really, Ramanujan have dedicated all of his life to the world of mathematics, due to which, in short lifespan, he could contribute a lot in different areas of mathematics. Also, the literature survey shows that he had opened new directions for many researchers. These are the references I have used. Thank you.